Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you this item. It's a handheld game console retro mini player, if you can see it. And I'm going to unbox it and I'll show it to you. Okay, so I moved my camera so you can see it to where I can unbox it. And it comes with a manual. See? Manual. Okay. Comes with a controller for 2-player. And then comes with a AV cable for your TV. And then this item here, it's a USB to charge your Game Boy handheld to your computer. And then this piece of plastic and this item right here. This is the handheld, and it does come with a battery pack, and that's the battery. And then I'm going to turn it on to show you. See? I don't know if you can see it, but yep, it works. Comes with 400 games in all these classics. So, and that's all I could show you. See? Oh, there it goes. 400 down at the bottom, if you can see it. And here's 1 at the top. And that's it. I'm going to show you how to hook everything up, except for the TV part. So for this AV cable here, if I can get it, this one right here, this goes on top, and you plug this into your TV. And then this cable here, this is to your computer. You plug it up here. Just like that. Same thing for the controller, same spot. See, controller. Same spot. And that's it. Now that I've put it all back in the box, let's put it away for right now. So, you can buy this item on Amazon for $20. I will send the link down below, and then that'll be it. So, thanks for watching. And if you liked the video, please hit like and subscribe.